Morning students. So today we will do our next exercise number 8.2. So let's see the first question. Evaluate the following. So in this question you will put the value of the given ratios and then evaluate them. Clear students? So first part is sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. So in last video we will discuss about trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. Which one? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So you can see here in the first ratio is sine and its angle is 60 degree. So the value for sine 60 degree is under root 3 over 2. So you will write here under root 3 over 2. Alright. Next is cos 30 degree. So cos 30 is how much? It is again root 3 over 2. Next is sin 30 degree. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is again 1 over 2. Now solve this calculation. Root 3 into root 3. It is 3. 2 into 2, 4. 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. Now solve it by taking LCM. So the denominator is same. So the LCM is 4. So 3 plus how much? 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4 and it is cancelled. So what is the answer? Answer is 1. Alright. Now see the second part. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So first this 2 is written as it is because 2 is multiplied with the value of tan square 45 degree. Now you can see here tan square 45 degree. So first you will put the value for tan 45 degree and then square it. So the value for tan 45 is 1. So write here 1 and then power square. ठीक है, आप पहले tan 45 की वैल्यू पुट करोगे उसके बाद स्क्वायर करोगे. Next sin is here plus cos square 30 degree. So the value for cos 30 is under root 3 over 2. Under root 3 over 2 and then square it. Minus sin square 60 degree. Sin 60 is again under root 3 over 2. Power square. Now you can see here root 3 over 2 whole square, root 3 over 2 whole square. Here sign is plus minus. So this is cancelled. Now 2, 1 square is 1 and 2 ones are how much? 2. So the answer for second part is 2. Clear? So this is your first and second part. Next see third and fourth part of this first question. Cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. So value for cos 45 is 1 over under root 2. Secant 30 is reciprocal of cos 30 and cos 30 is under root 3 over 2. So secant 30 is 2 over root 3 plus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is reciprocal of sin 30 and the value for sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 is 2 over 1 or you can write only 2. Now next write this 1 by root 2 as it is and taking LCM in this denominator. So it is root 3 2 plus 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. Now it is written as 1 over root 2 into. Now you can reciprocal of this term. It is root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. Now it is how much? 1 into root 3 is under root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 plus and 2 as it is root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So it is 2 root 6. Now you can see here there is under root in the denominator. So we can rationalize this term. So it is multiplied with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 and divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Clear students? आप मतलब इसी टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और डिवाइड करोगे बट साइन यहाँ पर जो प्लस का है वहाँ पर माइनस का साइन है. ऑलराइट. सो इट इज हाउ मच 2 as it is root 2 into root 3 is under root 6 minus Root 6 into root 3. How much? Root 18. Root 18 is written as 3 root 2. Clear students? Root 3 into root 6 is root 18. And root 18 is written as 3 root 2. Now 3 2s are how much? 6. So it is 6 root 2. Now in the denominator you can put a formula a plus b, a minus b. A is same and b is also same. So formula is a square minus b square. What is a square? Root 2 square is 2 and 2 square is how much? 4. So 4 2s are 8 minus b square. Root 6 square is 6 and 2 square is 4. 4 6s are 24. So 8 minus 24. 8 minus 24 is how much? It is minus 16. Or you can write here 6 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 16. Now you can take 2 common from the numerator. It is how much? And you will take 2 common. I will solve here. Take 2 common. It is 3 under root 2 minus root 6 divided by 16. So this is cancelled. It is 3 root 2 minus root 6 over 8. Alright. So the answer is how much? 3 root 2 minus root 6 over 8. So this is our final answer. Now solving this whole part. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus secant 60 divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So first put the value for sin 30. It is 1 over 2. Tan 45 is 1 and cosecant 60 is reciprocal of sin 60 and sin 60 is root 3 over 2. Therefore cosecant 60 is 2 over root 3 divided by secant 30. Secant 30 is reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2. Therefore secant 30 is 2 over root 3. Cos 60 is 1 over 2 and cot 45 is 1. Now we will take LCM in the numerator and denominator both. ठीक है, अब आप ऊपर भी एलसीएम लोगे और डिनोमिनेटर में भी एलसीएम लोगे. So the LCM for 2, 1 and root 3. It is 2 root 3. Now 2 is multiplied by which term? We get 2 root 3. It is root 3. So we multiply root 3 with this 1. So you get here root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus and root 3 कितने are 2 root 3? 2s are and 2 2s are 4 divided by. Again taking LCM in this denominator. LCM of root 3, 2 and 1 is again 2 root 3. So what should get here? 2 2s are 4. Here it is 2. Root 3 1s are root 3 and plus here 2 root 3. Now 2 root 3, 2 root 3. It is cancelled. So what should left here? 2 root 3 plus root 3. It is 3 root 3. 3 under root 3 minus 4. Divided by 2 root 3 plus root 3, it is again 3 root 3 plus 4 plus 4. Now again we get under root in this denominator, so we will rationalize this term again. So multiply and divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. Alright, you will change this sign. Here sign is plus, so you will put here negative sign. Alright, now 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. It means it is written as 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. Because this term is having 2 times. So we put here power square. So 3 root 3 plus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. Put here formula a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. So a square. So what is a square? Root 3 square is 3 and 3 square is 9. So 9 3s are 27. Minus b is 4, 4 square is 16. So right here 16. Now put here the formula for a minus b the whole square. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square. So 3 root 3 square is 27 plus b is 4, 4 square is 16 minus 2ab. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So it is 24 under root 3. Divided by 27 minus 16 is 11. So what is this? 27 plus 16, 43. 43 minus 24 under root 3 over 11. So this is your answer. Clear students? So this is question number first, third part and fourth part. last fifth part of question number first. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So first, what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 power is square plus 4 secant square 30 degree. Secant 30 is how much? 2 over root 3 power square minus tan square 45 and the value of tan 45 is 1. So value of 1 square divided by sin square 30 degree. Value of sin 30 is 1 over 2 power square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2 power square. Now next is 5. 1 square 1, 2 square is 4 plus 4. 2 square is 4 and under root 3 square is 3 minus 1 the square 1. 1 square is 1, 2 square 4 plus root 3 square 3, 2 square 4. Alright, next. Now multiply this 5 with 1 by 4. So 5 1s are 5 divided by 4. It is 5 over 4. Next plus 4 4s are 16. It is plus 16 over 3. Next is minus 1 by 1. Now in denominator we will take LCM. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It is 4 by 4. And 4 by 4 is cancelled. It is 1 only. So we don't need to write here 1. So now taking LCM. LCM of 4, 3 and 1 is 12. 4 can is 12. 3 is and 3 5s are 15 plus 3 can is 12. 4s are and 4 16s are 64. 1 can is 12. 12s are and 12 1s are 12. Now 64 plus 15. How much it is? 79. 79 minus 12 over 12. 79 minus 12 is 67. So what is the answer? Answer is 67 divided by 12. Alright. So this is your first question. Now try to solve from question number 2 to question number 4 of exercise 8.2. Thank you.